What's it like to spend $1.4 billion to own an ocean view home in Seattle? Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. Today I'm in North Seattle and the community is called Broadview. So this is a very green and peaceful community, and the best part is the view of Olympic Park and Puget Sound. And Broadview doesn't only have great neighborhood, it also has great location. So it's only 10 minutes drive to Northgate Mall and 20 minutes to Seattle downtown. It also has great school district, and I think Robert Eagle Staff Middle School and Ingraham High School both have great ratings. So this home that I'm going to show you today was originally built in 1950, but in 1996 it was renovated. And it has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. The square footage is 2,200 and the lot itself is 8,100 square feet. And everybody knows in Seattle, 8,100 square feet lot is really huge. With all the zoning change, you probably can build a ADU and DADU in the back. And the home has a great ocean view, plus it's very modern. Let's go and check it out. Welcome to this ocean view villa. So when you're coming through the front door, you actually feel the natural light immediately because it's 2-story ceiling height and with a lot of big windows on top. So on the first floor, there are 3 bedrooms, including the primary bedroom, which I'm going to show you right now. So the primary bedroom has really a lot of space. You can put in a king-size bed, nightstand, and then a lot of furniture at the corner, so a lot of space. And then what I like about this room is it also provides great privacy. So it's fully fenced there, and then there's some bushes right here, so you can enjoy the privacy and the peacefulness in your own room. And then the primary bathroom is another selling point of this home. So it was just renovated. When I first came to see the home, it actually has all the, older remodeling and the decoration that is from 1990s. Now it is completely redone. So it is tiles all the way from the floor to the ceiling, really nicely designed. And I really love this huge shower room, with all the glass doors and everything, so it looks really luxurious. And then it's also a 5-piece primary bath with standalone bathtub, double sink, mirror, and lights, so it's very practical and luxurious. So coming through here, there are 2 bedrooms. So this first one is very spacious as well as a guest bedroom. You can easily fit in a king-size bed with 2 nightstands and a desk on the side. And I really like how it actually looks into the backyard that is very private and peaceful as well. And then here is another guest bedroom that is close to a full bath. So this is a smaller bedroom, but it is still, you can still easily fit in a queen-size bed with 2 nightstands, or you can use it as a study room or a playroom. Now let's take a look at the backyard. Great sunshine today. So the backyard is another selling point of this home because everybody knows Seattle has a lot of zoning changes, and with the backyard as spacious and flat as this one, you can easily put in like an ADU and a DADU. For now, there is a shed at the back and you can easily convert that. Of course, there's a lot of, gardening space, big trees. If you enjoy the outdoor entertaining, this is the home for you. So coming to the second floor, so this is the main living area. And the point of having a 3-story in this area is because you want to enjoy the ocean and the mountain view as much as you can. So to make the second floor a main living area is a great idea for this kind of homes. So coming through the stairs, this is kind of like a loft area. You can easily turn into a living room area. And there's a see-through fireplace right here, very luxurious. And I want to show you a really nice family room. So this corner, in my opinion, is one of the best corner to enjoy the ocean view and the mountain view in this home. So you can put in like some couches, or you can turn it into a TV room as well. So here I want to show you the kitchen, the dining room, and a small family room in this corner. This is kind of an open concept, and the kitchen is completely renovated, which is a white kitchen, my favorite, white cabinet, white countertop. And all the appliances are move-in ready condition. And this is, again, another gourmet kitchen that you can enjoy. And here is a dining room area. So it is not very big, but I just want to show you the view of this corner. You can enjoy the view while you are dining, and the good thing about this area is you can easily open the patio door and go to another deck that is huge. You can enjoy the view, you can do a barbecue when the weather is really good, so you won't really feel that the space is limited. You can actually extend your dining space to the deck, which is awesome. And here this way, we walk through another family room, and then I want to show you another guest bedroom. So I like this bedroom because it is really private and quiet. It is right next to a full bath, and then you have windows on both walls, and you can enjoy a really spacious bedroom in this corner of the home. So now we're on the top floor. So this is only a loft area, but I asked the stagers to put in, a nice desk and a chair, make it a study room. And the reason is because of the view. So this is the third floor. Of course, this is the best area to enjoy the mountain view, the ocean view. In this kind of weather, you just sit there with your computer, enjoying the view. You can work all day. I can work all day here. No problem. So after looking at the home, I really, really like it. And the number one reason is the natural light of this home. I don't know why, but every floor has so much natural light, and you just don't feel like this is Seattle, And of course, on top of that is the view, the Puget Sound, the Olympic Park. This is a gorgeous place to be, and the neighborhood is really nice to see as well. And thirdly, of course, location. It's only 20 minutes to Seattle downtown and 10 minutes drive to Northgate. So we just put it on the market at 1.4 million, and we're going to have open houses through Thursday to Sunday. So if you want to enjoy the view, enjoy the weather, come and join us. We'll be here, and we look forward to seeing you. I'm Maggie. I'll see you next time.